as artificial intelligence advances,
come up with new cures for diseases, new energy sources, incredible things for humanity.
But concerns are growing about
what it means for the global workforce.
Copywriter,
doctor, music producer,
personal trainer,
software engineer,
DJ.
30% of all jobs will be replaced by AI in mid-30s.
But it's going to create new opportunities for creation.
We've all heard the whispers, then the prediction, and now the headlines shout it. AI is coming for your job. It's automating tasks, writing code, creating art, driving cars, even performing complex analysis faster and cheaper than ever before. For many, it feels like an unstoppable wave, threatening to sweep away careers, skills, and even entire industries. The fear is real and it's understandable. We've been told to adapt, to reskill, to lean into technology. But what if the advice we've been given is fundamentally incomplete? What if the true secret for thriving in the age of AI isn't about competing with it, but understanding its deepest paradox? Because AI isn't just about automation. It's revealing a fundamental truth about human value. It's clarifying what truly sets us apart and what future-proof skills are genuinely non-automatable. And once you grasp this distinction, the threat of AI dissolves, replaced by an extraordinary opportunity. This isn't about fighting the machines. This is about understanding the uniquely human superpower that AI can never replicate and how to harness it. In this video, I'm going to reveal this critical insight. I'll show you exactly how to identify your unique human advantage, how to synergize with AI, and most importantly, the concrete step you can take today, not just to survive the AI revolution, but to thrive and make your job truly indispensable. So what's this special power? It's knowing what AI cannot do. At its very core, AI can look at information super fast, create things and find patterns, but it cannot truly understand why things happen beyond simple facts. It cannot feel real care for others. It cannot create new ideas on its own, just for out of nowhere. And most important, it cannot deal with the messy, surprising world of people and how they act. This leads us to our first main plan. Be great at what machines can't do. Think about it. While AI looks at markets, it can't build trust with the client over many years of good work together. It can't guess what they need before they even say it. In a matter of fact, I met with a financial advisor in one event and he was worried about AI replacing his job. But he realizes his clients came to him for comfort during tough times, for a sense of path in their complicated lives, for a human connection that AI simply cannot give. His secrets? He stopped trying to be a faster calculator and became more important human guide. So how do you become that indispensable human guide? Well, cultivate skills like critical thinking beyond pattern recognition, creative problem solving, emotional intelligence, and complex communication. But it's not just about what AI can't do. The real big change comes from how you can use what it can do. Because the truth is, AI isn't just a threat. It's the strongest tool you've ever had. And that takes us to our second equally key plan. One that turns you from someone trying to beat AI into a super-powered helper. But before we get there, you need to understand one very important idea that lets you use AI's real power for your career, an idea often missed by those just trying to keep up. It's not about working harder. It's about working smarter with a clever partner by your side. Stay with me here because what I'm about to tell you will truly change how you see your job and your future. The important idea I mentioned, the one that truly unlocks AI's power for your career, is prompt engineering. Think of AI as a smarter, most powerful helper you've ever had. But like any helper, it needs clear, exact instructions. Prompt engineering is simply the skill of talking well with AI. It's about asking the right question, giving the right request, and understanding how the AI thinks to get exactly what you need from it. This isn't about writing computer code, it's about human smarts, guiding machine smarts. Someone who can write a great instruction for an AI is much more valuable than someone who just knows how to click buttons. They are the one leading the show. Let's talk about Mark, a graphic designer. He used to spend hours finding pictures and drawing first ideas. Now he uses AI, but he's become really good at prompt engineering. That's like talking to the AI in just the right way. Instead of simply typing, design a logo for a coffee shop, he asks, make 5 new logo ideas for the Daily Grind coffee shop. Use natural color, add subtle bean, and make it feel friendly but stylish. Also show me how it looks on a coffee cup. The AI does most of the hard work. Give him great options fast, but Mark's human touch, his understanding of what clients really want and how a brand should feel is what turns an okay AI design into amazing, perfect branding. He's not replaced, he's made stronger. This leads us to our second main plan. Become the AI builder. In the future of work, it won't be people against AI. It will be people with AI versus people without AI. Your role isn't just to use AI, but to know how AI tools can work together, how they can make daily tasks better, and where the human touch is absolutely a must. So how do you do this? Step 1, get your hands on AI tools. Don't just read about them. Try out tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, GitHub, Copilot, Claude, Gemini. Learn what they are good at and what they can't do. Step 2, find chances to let AI do tasks in your job. Look at your daily duties. Which ones repeat? Which one needs a lot of looking at information? These are perfect for AI to help you with. Step number 3, get good at prompt engineering. This is a skill. Practice writing clear, short, and detailed instructions. Learn about how to set the mood, the style, and what kind of answers you want. There are free lessons and groups for this. And step number 4, focus on skills that need people while AI handles the information. You focus on caring for others, talking things out, making smart choices, thinking of new ideas, and seeing the big pictures. These are the truly special things you bring. Now, these plans sounds perfect, right? But there's one last thing, one big idea that supports all of this. A way of thinking so important, it changes the threat of AI into your biggest edge. Without this, even the biggest prompt engineer might get left behind. It's a way of thinking that uses your most basic human feeling. What is it? Well, let's find out. We've talked about being great at what machines can't do and becoming the AI builder. But the last best shield against losing your job to AI, the last piece of this puzzle, is to always be learning new things as your superpower. The world doesn't stay still, neither does AI. What's new and exciting today will be normal tomorrow. Those who fear AI are often those who don't want to change. Those who do well are the ones who see learning not as a chore, but as an endless journey. Think of the time of big factories. Some jobs went away, yes, but new ones appeared. Jobs nobody could have even imagined. What made that happen? Well, not just new machines, but people willing to learn how to use them, fix them, and create new things with them. The same is true now. Much faster. Your ability to learn to forget old ways and to learn again, to change your skills, to use new tools, and to understand new kinds of tech like Web3, which by the way works amazingly well with AI. That's your best defense. The real reason some jobs struggle isn't just changes in the market or AI coming. It's often the inner pushback against change, the refusal to keep thinking about what real value means in world that's changing fast. So AI is coming for your job, yes, but it's also making millions of new chances. If you are smart enough to get ready, by being great at your special human skill, becoming a smart AI builder, and always learning new things, you won't just get by, you will do great. You will be the one shaping the future, not just reacting to it. The choice is yours. Be replaced by the machine or become the master of your own AI-powered future. The future of work isn't happening to you. It's waiting for you to build it. Are you ready? If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Lamia, and I see you in the next one.